this is Avengers characters. First, we got Black Widow. Now we got the Guardians of the Galaxy, Drax, and we got Gamora, and we got Star-Lord, Baby Groot, and Nebula, Mantis, Wasp, Ant-Man, and we got Hulk, Wanda, and Captain America, Doctor Strange, Iron Man, Thor, and we got Wong, and we got this Winter Soldier, Vulcan, Black Panther, Hawkeye, and we got War Machine, Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, and we got Tom Holland, Spider-Man, and we got Andrew Garfield, Spider-Man. Oh. We got Tobey Maguire, Spider-Man. Yeah. And don't forget the Avengers. This is the Avengers, the old Captain America. Yeah. And this is the Civil War, Captain America. And don't forget Iron Man from Infinity War. Oh! I'm flying to the sky. Don't forget Black Panther. The first time in Infinity War or Civil War? I don't know. Maybe Infinity War.
Yun lang naman yun sila sa Infinity
War
tsaka sa
Ma, but what is the first one? Now we got Thanos. That's the first time in Infinity War.
Thanos?
Yeah. No, Mama.
Infinity War lang mo siya?
Yes,
tsaka
tsaka Endgame. Yeah.
Okay.
Only two.
First villain nila.
No. The new villain. And we got a Thor from Ragnarok. Yeah.
Why Ragnarok niya haircut?
Yeah, and he got hurt from this. But this is the Thor from Infinity War. There's he meet the Guardians of the Galaxy, and he meet Groot, absolutely. Rocket and Groot. I am Groot. Okay, I know your name.
Sino po yung mga karakter ng Guardians of the Galaxy?
We got Star-Lord, Gamora,
what else?
Drax,
What else?
we got Mantis, and we got Baby Groot. Groot became to a baby. So is Ant-Man. You can go to tiny, you can go to big. Oh. Yes, Ant-Man. And this is Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel can fly into space.
Spider-Man.
This is Miles Morales, Gwen Stacy, Kid Spider-Man, and Peter B. Parker, and we got Spider-Man 2024, that's his name, and we going from the shiny Venom Spider-Man, and we Hulk Smosh.